Hi, myself Devananda Rao, working as Associate Professor in the Department of CSC, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today's topic is first and follow function. Previous topic, what is left recursion and elimination of left recursion and ambiguous grammar. So after that, today's topic is first and follow functions. Overview of the presentation. So today we will discuss about first function and follow function of the given grammar and some examples. The first and follow are needed so that the parser can properly apply the needed production rule at the correct position. Rules for calculating first function is, for a production rule x derives epsilon, the first of x is epsilon. The first of x is epsilon. Here RHS is epsilon, LHS is x. We are going to calculate first of x, that is first of LHS is equals to first of epsilon. First of epsilon. Epsilon is a empty string. So, first of empty string is empty string itself. Then rule 2, for any terminal symbol A, first of A is A. For any terminal symbol, first of A is A. For example, 0 is a terminal symbol, first of 0 is 0. For example, 1 is a terminal symbol, first of 1 is 1. This is rule 2. Coming to rule 3. The rule 3, for the production x derives y1, y2, y3 and so on. X is a LHS non-terminal symbol, x is a non-terminal, y1, y2, y3 and so on is a right hand side of the production. y1, y2, y3 may be terminal symbols or non-terminals. It is a combination of terminals and non-terminals. If the rule will be in this form, we are going to calculate first of x. First of x. So, first of x is first of y1. y1 is what? y1 is first symbol of RHS, whether it is terminal symbol or non-terminal symbol, y1 is a terminal or non-terminal, first of x is equal to first of y1. When epsilon does not belongs to first of y1. If epsilon does not belongs to, suppose if y1 is a non-terminal, first of y1 is first of y1 only if epsilon does not belongs to y1. If at all y1 is a terminal symbol, for example, y1 is equals to a, y1 is equals to a, first of y1 is equals to a only. If y1 is a non-terminal, y1 is non-terminal, some non-terminal. So, you have to calculate first of that non-terminal. See, if epsilon does not belongs to first of y1, then first of x is first of y1. If epsilon belongs to first of y1, then first of x is first of y1 minus epsilon first of y2, y3. X derives y1, y2, y3. If y1 is a non-terminal and y1 derives epsilon, so we have to go to calculate first of y2. That is, if epsilon belongs to first of y1, first of x is equals to first of y1 exclude epsilon minus epsilon union first of y2, y3. If first of y1 contains epsilon, you have to take all the terminal symbols of first of y1 excluding epsilon, take union of first of y2, y3. y2, y3 is a combination of terminals, non-terminals, anything. So, now we have to calculate first of y2, y3. First of y2, y3. So, first of y2, y3, first symbol is y2, so that you have to calculate first of y2. If epsilon belongs to first of y2, if epsilon belongs to first of y2, you have to exclude epsilon from first of y2 and take union of first of y3, that is first of y2 minus epsilon union of first of y3. See, if epsilon belongs to first of y2, then first of y2 is equals to first of y2. If epsilon belongs to first of y2, then first of y2 y3 is equals to first of y2 minus x, excluding epsilon union first of y3, and so on until we reach to end of the RHS. Now, we calculate this example. Before calculating first and follow functions of any grammar, you have to eliminate left recursion from the grammar if the left recursion is present. If the left recursion is not present in the grammar, no need to eliminate left recursion. In this example, S derives A, B, C, D, E, A derives A or epsilon, B derives B or epsilon, C derives C, D derives D or epsilon, E derives E or epsilon. So, here this grammar is not in left recursion, not left recursion, not left recursion, so that no need to perform left recursion. Directly you can calculate first function. First of S is equals to, see RHS, S derives A, B, C, D, E. So, assume A is equals to y1, B is equals to y2, C is equals to y3, D is equals to y4, E is equals to y5. So, A derives y1, y2 and so on. So, first of A is first of y1, first of y1. If epsilon does not belongs to y1, if epsilon belongs to first of y1, go to first of y2 and so on. Here first of S is first of A, first of S is first of A. What is first of A? First of A is second rule. First of A is two rules are there, A derives epsilon, A derives A. So, that first of A is A, first of A is epsilon. So, here first of A derives epsilon also. So, that you have to exclude epsilon from first of A, take union of first of B, first of B, C, D, E. Now, first symbol of B, C, D, E is B. So, you have to calculate first of B. First of B. What is first of B? First of B is B comma epsilon. So, B also deriving epsilon, you have to exclude epsilon from first of B and take union of first of C, D, E. So, first symbol of C, D, E is C. So, calculate first of C. First of C is C. So, that first of C does not contain epsilon, we can stop here, no need to go for D, E. So, the answer is first of A is A comma epsilon, exclude epsilon, it is A, it is A. First of B minus epsilon means B, first of C is C. So, the answer is A, B, C. This is the answer, first of S is A, B, C. Now, first of A, we have two rules, A derives A derives epsilon. So, according to rule 1, if x derives epsilon, first of x is epsilon. Here first of A is epsilon. If A is a terminal, according to second rule, first of A is A, first of A is A. So, that the answer for first of A is A comma epsilon. Like that, first of B is B comma epsilon, first of C is C only, first of D is D comma epsilon, first of E is E comma epsilon. Like that, you have to calculate first function for the given grammar. Next, another example, calculate first function for the given grammar. S derives, we have T rules, A derives A, C, B, S derives C, B, B, S derives B, A, and A derives D, A, B, C, B derives G comma G or epsilon, C derives H comma epsilon. First calculate first of S. First of S is first symbol of RHS. So, you have to calculate first of A. What is first of A? We have to go for rule A. A derives dA or BC. See, first of A is D. First symbol of RHS is D. D is a terminal symbol, so that first of A is D. And another rule, A derives BC. B is a non-terminal. Calculate first of B. So what is first of B? First of B is G comma epsilon. Here first of B derives epsilon. Go for exclude minus epsilon and you take union of first of C. First of B minus epsilon union of first of C. So what is first of C? First of C is equal to H comma epsilon. So here C is the last symbol, we cannot go for further, so that you have to take all the symbols. So first of A is D comma, first of B is G comma epsilon, exclude epsilon, so that G. So first of C is H comma epsilon. So because of last symbol we cannot exclude epsilon, include epsilon. So the answer is first of A is D, G, H, E, but we have calculated so far the first symbol of this rule. So this first of S is first of A. First of A derives epsilon, so that we go for first of C. What is first of C? H comma epsilon. So we have to write D, G, H comma epsilon, exclude epsilon and take union of first of C. What is first of C? H comma epsilon. So C also deriving epsilon, go for exclude epsilon, go for first of B. So final answer is first of S is equals to D, G, H exclude epsilon union first of C, H exclude epsilon union first of B. First of B is G comma epsilon. We cannot exclude epsilon because B is a last terminal, last non-terminal. So that take union D, G, H, G. G already there. D, G, H, epsilon over. But we have another rule. S derives C, B, C, B, A. First of S is first of C. Take union once again. First of S is first of C. First of C is H comma epsilon. So that exclude epsilon, take union first of B is B only. So answer is H comma B. Then another rule, S rule. S derives first of S. First of S is first of B. First of B is G comma epsilon, exclude epsilon, take union first of A. A is a terminal, so that A itself. Answer is G comma A. So final answer for first of S is D, G, H epsilon and H, B, A. H already there, no need to write 2 times. So this is the answer. D, G, H epsilon, B, A are the first of S. First of A is D union first of A is first of B minus epsilon, because first of B derives epsilon, so that take union of first of C. First of C is H comma epsilon. So D, G, H, E. First of B is G comma epsilon. First of C is H comma epsilon. Another rule for calculating first function. The given grammar is in left recursion. E derives E plus T or T. This rule is left recursive because LHS and the first symbol of RHS both are same. Eliminate left recursion. How can we eliminate left recursion? If A derives A alpha or beta, we can eliminate left recursion by rewriting the rules. A derives beta A dash derives alpha A dash or beta, like that. E derives T E dash derives plus T E dash or epsilon. So this rule will be replaced by these 3 rules. Then second rule, T derives T star F or F is also in a left recursion. We can eliminate T derives F T dash derives star F T dash or epsilon. this rule, second rule will be replaced by these three rules. Third rule is not left recursion. So that after eliminating left recursion, E derives T dash or E dash derives plus T dash or epsilon, T derives Ft dash, T dash derives star Ft dash or epsilon, F derives parenthesized E, this is E, parenthesized E and ID. So now we have to calculate first function for these rules. First of E we have to calculate, first of E dash, first of T, first of T dash, first of E. You need to calculate all these functions. First of F is, first of F, see first F derives parenthesized E or ID. This is the terminal symbol, left parenthesis, right parenthesis is the terminal symbol. So first of F is first of first symbol is a terminal. Another rule, F derives ID is a terminal. So first of F is left parenthesis and ID. So left parenthesis and ID. Then calculate first of E derives T E dash. First of E is first of first symbol is T is a non-terminal. So that we have to calculate first of T. Go for T rule. What is T rule? T derives F T dash. So first of T is first of F. What is F? F derives parenthesized E or ID. So already we have calculated first of F is left parenthesis and ID. So that first of E is first of T, first of T is first of F, first of F is left parenthesis and ID. So left parenthesis and ID. Next, first of E is first of T. What is first of T? Left parenthesis and ID. Next, first of E dash. E dash derives plus T E dash or epsilon. First symbol is terminal, here is terminal. So first of E dash is plus comma epsilon. First of T dash derives star F T dash or epsilon. So star is a terminal, epsilon is a terminal. First of T dash is star comma epsilon. So these are the answer. First of E is equals to first of T is equals to first of F is equal to left parenthesis and ID. First of E dash is equals to plus and epsilon. First of T is left parenthesis and ID. First of T dash is star and epsilon. First of F is left parenthesis and ID. Next function, follow function. We have three rules, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. If S is the start symbol, follow of S is equals to $. That is, for any start symbol, follow of S is $. If SE is the starting symbol, follow of E is $. Like that. Second rule, A derives alpha B, follow of B is equals to follow of A. Here B is the last non-terminal of the RHS, that is, after B there is no symbol, there is no terminal, there is no non-terminal. So follow of B is equals to follow of A. A is the LHS symbol. Third rule, if A derives alpha B beta, follow of B is equals to first of beta. Beta is following B. B is a non-terminal, beta is a combination of terminals, non-terminal, it may be terminal, it may be non-terminal, whatever it may be, but following B. Immediately after B there is a beta. Beta is a combination of terminals, non-terminals. Follow of B is first of beta. If epsilon does not belongs to first of beta. If epsilon does not belongs to first of beta, follow of B is first of beta. Second condition, if epsilon belongs to first of beta, that means epsilon is replaced by beta, then at that time B becomes last symbol. So that follow of B is follow of A. Follow of B is follow of A. See, if epsilon does not belongs to first of beta, follow of B is first of beta. If epsilon belongs to first of beta, follow of B is follow of first of beta excluding epsilon union follow of A, union follow of A. So we calculate the follow function of a non-terminal by looking where it is present on the RHS of the production rule. So example, So, this is already we have calculated first function for this grammar in the previous slide. This is left recursive grammar, so that after left recursion we got these rules. From these rules we calculated first function, first of E, first of T, first of F is left parenthesis ID, first of E dash is plus and epsilon, first of T is left parenthesis ID, first of T dash is star and epsilon, first of F is left parenthesis ID. So, we have to calculate follow now, follow for all the non-terminals on the RHS. So, here the starting symbol is E, follow of E is dollar, put dollar because E is the starting symbol. Then see wherever E is there, here E is there, we have to calculate follow for after eliminating left recursion. E is following a terminal symbol, right parenthesis is a terminal, follow of E is first of beta, first of beta. So, this is the third rule, first of beta, beta is not deriving epsilon, so that first follow of E is first of beta is right parenthesis, so that right parenthesis. So, follow of E is right parenthesis and dollar. Next, follow of E dash, here E dash is there, E dash is the non-terminal and last symbol of the RHS. We can apply rule 2, that is follow of B is follow of E, follow of B is follow of A. So, that follow of E dash is follow of E, follow of E is already calculated, that is right parenthesis and dollar. Next, here follow of E dash is follow of E dash, both are same, that we can ignore that. Then follow of T, where is T? Here, T is here. So, E dash is a non-terminal following T. So, T is a non-terminal. Which rule we have to apply? Third rule. A derives alpha, B, beta. Here we need to find first of beta. First of E dash is plus and epsilon. So, follow of T is equals to first of E dash. First of E dash is plus epsilon, exclude epsilon because E dash derives epsilon. If you substitute E dash in place of epsilon in place of E dash, T becomes last symbol. So, that apply second rule, A derives alpha B. So, follow of B is follow of A. So, that here follow of T is follow of E. What is follow of E? Union follow of E. Follow of E is already dollar right parenthesis. So, that the answer is plus dollar right parenthesis here. Follow of T dash, follow of T dash is here only, T dash is the last symbol. So, that follow of T dash is follow of T. What is follow of T? Plus dollar right parenthesis, same is applicable here. So, final last is F, F is here, T dash is following F. So, that follow of F is first of T dash is star and epsilon. So, follow of F is equals to first of T dash minus epsilon union follow of T. So, first of T dash is star and epsilon, exclude epsilon, take union, follow of T is plus right parenthesis dollar, take union, you can get star plus right parenthesis and dollar. Like that we can calculate follow function. Thank you.